All right, our holiday blend M&Ms in our greased bump pan. Now I'm coming in with my Grand's flaky layer biscuits. So we're opening this up. And we are going to take our biscuits, grab our kitchen shears, and we are going to cut our biscuits into quarters, putting them right on top of those beautiful festive M&Ms. This is a super easy and delicious holiday treat that anyone can make and everyone loves. All you need is a couple ingredients that you probably already have in your house, and then those beautiful holiday M&Ms. And we are gonna use about 12 biscuits, so make sure you grab 2 packages of those Pillsbury Grands. Once we have all of our biscuits in there, we're gonna put this to the side and bring in our 2 sticks of melted butter, which is 1 cup of melted butter. And inside our butter, we are going to add our brown sugar, and we're gonna add about 1 cup of brown sugar, but you can adjust to your sweetness. I like my stuff super sweet. That's why I have those M&Ms in here. That's why I have all the sugar and all the delights. I love sweet treats, especially around the holidays. So that was 1 cup of our light brown sugar. And before we mix that in, I am gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Oh yeah. All right, and that's just 1 lid full. I might have gotten a little bit of extra, but that's totally okay. All right, and now it is time to whisk these together. Now this dessert has been made in my family for years, every Christmas. We usually don't add the M&Ms, but I really wanted a festive flair for this. It is so yummy, and like I said, so easy to mix together. And I just think it just really captures what the holidays feel and taste like. And you can also add a little bit of cinnamon to this mixture, but I think that this is going to be perfect. Oh my goodness. Let's bring back our bump pan and make sure this bump pan is nicely greased. If it's not greased, you're gonna have a lot of trouble. But we are gonna go ahead and pour our mixture all over that biscuit quarters, those M&Ms, and we're gonna come out with the most beautiful holiday dessert. You're gonna wanna present it to all of your friends and family. We're making sure to get all of that goodness, especially all that thick brown sugar. We might need to grab our whisk so we can get that into our pan. All right, and that is it. It is that easy. I told you it was gonna be a super easy holiday dessert. So my oven is set to 350 and this is gonna bake for about 45 to 50 minutes. Oh my, look at that buttery, brown, flaky goodness. Oh, all right, it is time for the moment of truth. We are going to flip this. Oh, all right, let's check it out. Oh my, that looks crazy. All right, now we're gonna grab our little tongs, and this is our holiday monkey bread. So we are going to grab a couple pieces with those M&Ms. I thought M&Ms were the chocolate that didn't melt, but obviously we proved them wrong today. But look at those beautifully cooked biscuits. Oh my goodness. This is gonna be so yummy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I know those M&Ms aren't the prettiest, but that chocolate melted in your mouth with the biscuit and the brown sugar, this is so good, you guys. You have to make it like right now. It's so good.